This is John Rollerson coming to you from our World Training Headquarters here in Jacksonville, Florida. And I want to talk to you today about the problem that a lot of machine shops and many shops have, are those awkward weights. Not necessarily a lot of weight, but it's the way it's distributed, the way you handle it. Here we have our Gorbel G-Force Easy Arm, or G-Force Crane. In this case, we're going to demonstrate. Here we have 3 equally weighted 50-pound weights, and I'll show you, demonstrate how easily I lift with the G-Force hoist. Now let me share with you one of the absolute coolest features of the G-Force Intelligent Lifting Hoist. With the touch of a button, we're going to go to float mode. So I put the unit in float mode, and with the touch of a finger, it's like magic. I can precisely lift, rotate with fingers. This is 150 pounds I'm lifting with 0 weight, 0 gravity, and I'm moving it over to this workspace, and I'm going to float it on down with precision, and it moves with my force. It senses my force. If I give it a little bit of force, it moves slow. If I give it a lot of force, it speeds up. It literally is like magic. Okay, let's talk about some of the features of the G-Force lifter. It comes standard with a Crosby latch kit for safety with an M16 bolt. However, we can clamp, grab, vacuum. The possibilities are endless with the end effectors that we can attach to the G-Force. Moving on up, we have an ergonomic, dimpled ergonomic slide handle. If you'll notice, it will not operate in any movement. The reason being, we have a safety feature, which is high tech. It's a laser beam. Once your hand breaks that laser beam, the hoist will operate. Don't break the laser beam, hoist doesn't operate. So some guy can't bump into it and get it to operate and drop the load. Moving on up here, we have an LED. The biggest feature about this, in a standard hoist, all of your virtual limits, your speed settings are set way up high on the hoist. All the brains are here at hoist and eye level, so it can all be programmed right here with a push of a few buttons. We have an emergency stop in case there's an accident. It cuts off. You lose power. It has an internal braking system. You will not lose or compromise your load. If you move up, we see we have a 360-degree swivel as the load is being suspended in brake mode. I can suspend, move, and rotate in all directions. Here we have the information cable. That's where all the brains are. It's in a spiral, and it's speaking with a computer in the hoist. Housed inside here is rotation proof wire rope, and that's what's suspending the load. You've seen all the amazing features of the G-Force Intelligent Lifting. Other chain or wire rope hoists, there is absolutely no comparison. If you need more information about how to obtain one of these fantastic hoists, just give us a call here at Consolidated Rigging, and we'll be happy to help you.